Man, you gotta see what I just pulled.
Who that? Why is it so many?
10 out of 10.
She definitely 10 out of 10. You pull her.
Yeah, she. You know, I know she out of my league, but you know, she supposed to come through tonight.
Okay. You need me to leave or something like that?
Yeah.
Gotcha. I'll tell you what. I'm gonna use the restroom real quick though before I head out. Yeah, that's crazy, man. Tripping. Tell her about herself. Wow, so that's what we're doing now. My roommate, out of all the people in the world, you go to my room. You know what? I knew you was trifling. My mama told me you was trifling. I try to give you benefit of the doubt. Block me, okay? I'm finna block you. You will never hear from me again. Hey, what time you said she coming, bro?
Around 7. I told her I'm gonna cook some steak for her. She said she likes steak.
She likes steak? Okay, all right. Wow, so you eating steak now. You told me you was vegan. You had me going to all these expensive restaurants trying to find, girl, you know how hard it is to find somewhere that don't serve meat? I was hungry that night. You the one that's the chef. You the cordon bleu, all this other stuff. I went home hungry because you were vegan. You know what? Block me, bro. Block me. I can't believe
you good, bro?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm straight, bro. It was
Yeah, make sure you spray, bro, because she into smells.
okay.
You know, like good cologne.
Good cologne, word?
Yeah.
Babe, 1 second. Let me see. Wow, I thought you was allergic to cologne. You said it made your skin flare up. You had me out here going natural body odor. Look, I don't know who this brand new person is, who you acting like. I don't know if it's because it's him, but you just was over here a couple days ago. Why you? I don't understand. I don't want to see you no more. I don't want to hear your voice. I don't want to see your face. You evil. I swear you evil.
You sure you all right?
Yeah, I'm good, man. Everything just feel weird all of a sudden, bro. I don't know what's going on.
Well, just stick around, bro. Just, you know, she a RN. You know, she can help you with that.
She RN?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Okay. Wow. Hey, what time you said she coming?
Around 7.
I'm laughing. Y'all keep recording, man. You made me laugh, bro. All right. I said, just don't look at me, dude.
All right.
He turn around cheesing, bro. I'm like, I'm finna laugh.
All right.
Hey, what time you said she coming, bro?
7.
I was laughing off the rip anyway. You ready? This is right here.
This dude here, man. All right.
Dead stupid, man. All right, here we go. Hey, what time you said she was coming?
I told her about 7.
This, bro. Come on.
He came out talking about.
Y'all gotta see. Y'all can't see it, bro. He like this. He looking out the side of his eye, bro.
I heard y'all really.
Yeah, he talking about.
Leave, bro.
He over his burger.
We not gonna get through this one, bro.
Yes, we
We
are.
not gonna get through this one.
All right.
All right, here we go, bro. This is it. Here we go, man. Golly.